Hi guys, this is Saddam Hussain and welcome to my channel A to Z English Skills. Today I am going to teach you present indefinite tense. Keep watching this video. In this present indefinite tense, you will be taught a lot of new structures and many uses, many activities and advanced uses of present indefinite tense. Okay, so let's get started. Well, present indefinite tense shows habitual actions, repeated actions and daily routine. For suppose, I read newspaper. Sarah is a teacher. She goes to school. I celebrate my birthday with my family. Its helping verbs are do and does. Do is used with I, we, you, they and plural noun. Does is used with he, she, it and singular noun. Its structure is subject plus first form of verb or S form of verb plus object. Here we should take care of where to use first form and where to use S form of verb. First form of verb is used with I, we, you, they and plural noun. S form of verb is used with he, she, it and singular noun. For example, we take lunch together. He shares his secrets with me. In present indefinite tense, we don't use helping verbs in affirmative. Helping verbs are only used with negative and interrogative. For example, I don't play soccer. Does she often visit her grandparents? Here are some indicators for present indefinite tense. Let's see where to use present indefinite tense. Indicators are always, never, often, seldom, rarely, sometimes, usually, normally, regularly, every day, every week, every month, etc. Present indefinite tense in some advanced uses. For example, Pakistani people love helping. Do the Australian eat mutton? Some other uses of present indefinite tense in advanced level. For example, the scheduled events of near future. Just like the train leaves at 10. The class party starts at 11. Let's see what are the activities that will improve your present indefinite tense skills. Tell yourself or someone else your daily routine. And tell yourself or someone else the daily routine of your father or mother. It will help you to improve your S form skills in present indefinite tense. If you are a teacher, then it is the best activity to assign your students deliver a presentation about father's daily routine, mother's daily routine and his own daily routine. Thank you. If you are new on my channel, never forget to subscribe. Thank you.